vlog, I will show you how to make a chicken spread using your leftover chicken. So here are the ingredients. You need 1 teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of pickle relish. So this is the relish that I use. I just want to show you. And you need 2 cups of mayonnaise, 4 onions, and also you need of course the leftover chicken that we have here. And you need some tools like a chopper and a bowl, a spatula, a knife, and a cutting board. So first you have to slice your onion and put it in the grinder. And we will finish the 4 onions, and then we will grind it. We already chopped the onion. Next we will chop the chicken, leftover chicken. So here's what we're gonna do. First, I peel the chicken. I take the skin out. And there you go. And take the whole breast chicken. And you just need to chop it like slice it into small pieces, or you can use your hands if you want. Like you can do like this if you want, but I prefer like to cut it into small pieces instead. So there you go. I'll cut it like this small, and I'll do the rest of it. So here's the chicken. It's sliced and chopped into small pieces like a chunk. So what we need to do next is just to combine all the ingredients. So we put the pepper, we will put the salt, we'll put the sugar, and we'll put the green relish, and all we need to do is to mix it up. Mix it, and also your chopped onion. So just mix everything. And lastly, the mayonnaise. everything. I'm gonna use the spatula so it's easier and then everything will get mixed. And this is how it's gonna look like. See? Now you can try it. Let's try it. It's good. You can taste the saltiness, the sweetness, and the pepper of it. It's good. You should try it. So if you want to make a chicken spread, just watch my video and try it for yourself. That's all for now. Thank you. Thanks for watching. That's